Okay, I guess I'm ready to start using this stuff. Durabrite white elastomeric roof coating number 587. And I can't remember how runny this stuff is. I'm hoping I can just take it out of the can and put my little paint lid thing on here. We'll see. We'll see. I didn't know if I needed to mix it up once I got it open. I don't think I have to. With the paint stick. This stuff's supposed to be kind of thick and runny. And I have a feeling that it is. And I'm gonna put this on here just so I can use it. When I put this on, you just start from one edge, because I was looking at it before and it says fits all paint can lids, and start here, push down corner of rim, and then finish on the other side. I was trying to put the whole thing on. So you just start right there, and then get it pushed on there like that. Let's just see. Yeah, see, this stuff's kind of runny. It's kind of like pancake batter. Okay, good. I think I can just use it right out of this can. I was thinking about pouring it right into my paint tray too, and I don't know, once I start I might try something like that too. I've got my webbing tape here, and I've got just some regular scissors. I can cut it with that, or I've got some little tin snips. I can cut it with that. Same thing with this. I tried that with scissors, and yes, it cuts. It cuts pretty easy. And I got these. I didn't actually get them. Mommy got them at the hardware store. I thought, what are you going to use those for? These snips. I always use my regular tin snips, and I've got some regular tin snips, but they're pretty old. And I tried cutting it on this webbing stuff. Now, if you had sharp tin snips, you could cut it with that. But mine are kind of dull. I've had them probably, I don't know, 25 years. And they're still good enough to cut metal, but not fine things like carpet strands, stuff like this. It's not going to cut. Okay, so I don't know where I'm going to start at. Maybe I should just start right over there. Well, this is as good a place as any to start, I guess. Let's see. And I think I'm going to put this down first, like I said, and I'm just gonna make it so long for right now. And I'm gonna fold this. It's slightly sticky still. This stuff is is probably 4 or 5, well, not 4 years old. 3 or 4 years old. So I can't really get it any further than that because that's in the way, but that's okay. That's just going to give me, I don't know, I thought it would give me a little bit more strength. Before I do that, I might as well cut myself a piece here. I'm not going to put that on just yet, but I'm going to fold it. I thought I could do this with gloves on, but I think they're going to get all yuckety. And then that's going to flop up. That's going to flop up there. Just keep that off to the side for now. And I'm going to put a little bit of this stuff on there. Just paint it on there. And you're not gonna get just full coverage with one coat or anything. I'm gonna have to go over this a few times. But you gotta at least coat this. To get this next stuff on. I'm pretty sure, I don't think, we can try it both ways. Put it on dry and then stick it on there because it'll soak in. Okay. Yeah, see it's gonna get all over. It gets right. It goes right through it. It's pretty cool. Wipe it off. And this stuff comes off with just water, so it'll be fine. I think maybe I can just set it up there, dry, and then put stuff over it. Try that on the next one. That's what it's supposed to do. It's supposed to breathe. It breathes so that this coating can go right through it. And I'm at the corner. I'm at the corner of the wall. And I'm just going to wrap it around the end. I'm going to get some on there, I think. Fold it over. It's like paste. Put a little bit more on here. But you know, there's only so much you can put on until you can't put any more on. You just have to let it dry and then come back and put some more on. I guess that's all I can really do, I can put some up above that, like I'm cutting it in. Because ultimately I want this stuff to go all the way. Anyways, okay, so that's my first little piece. When that dries, not going to take that long to dry, I don't think. Well, let's try doing this piece over here next. I'm lucky I just looked at my camera and I've got 3 minutes left on my SIM card, so I'm gonna have to, I'm glad I looked at that. So I'll be right back after I put a new SIM card in so I can keep going and show you some more.